This is Japan Vlog Service. Hi YouTube, Mike Beckett here. So it's Tuesday, 12th of May 2015, and it's wet and rainy because Typhoon Noul is making its way past Japan. It's past the Okinawa Islands now. And, well, the weather forecast saying somewhere between 6 and 9 it will just be brushing past Kansai, making its way to Tokyo by 3 AM tomorrow, basically. So at the moment it's raining really very badly, though not as bad as it was earlier. This is no wind there. This is very much the calm before the storm. And I said it shouldn't be that much of a storm. The eye of it's not really going to make directly at Kansai. It's just going to skirt by. Still, a strong storm though. So yeah, it's like, if you're near a really bad rainstorm, you're still near a really bad rainstorm. So yeah, watch out. And at least now it's not a typhoon, it's a tropical storm. So it's not as powerful. Anyway, I'm just during a slight lull in the rain. It's still raining, but yeah, it's not as bad. I'm just out buying food for tonight so I can get back indoors earlier. Anyway, see ya. Bye.